Meaning of George Robey.
George Robey.
George Robey.
George Robey.
George Robey. George Robey was a British comedian and actor, born in 1869 and passed away in 1954. He was a prominent figure in the music hall scene during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, known for his humorous songs and sketches that often satirized popular culture and politics of the time. Robey was coined as the Prime Minister of Mirth due to his popularity and influence in the entertainment industry. He also appeared in several films throughout his career. George Robey is remembered as a talented performer and an important figure in British comedy history.